The CAT UTV is designed to be easy to maintain, whether it's daily maintenance intervals or longer-term maintenance intervals throughout the life of the machine. Most maintenance points are easy to get to and do not require tools to access and are at waist level on the machine. For example, removing the belt does not require any tools to get to the belt and remove the belt cover. We also provide a convenient tool bag for the maintenance procedures that do require tools that are stored in the front of the machine. Our oil filter on the engine is particularly easy to access via a maintenance panel in the front of the splash guard that's an industry first feature. Our maintenance intervals are designed to be easy to execute. 200 hours, 400 hours, and 600 hours, so they all overlay on top of one another. For more information on the maintenance of your CAT UTV, reference the Operation and Maintenance Manual or contact your participating UTV CAT dealer.